Hi guys, this is a nice Amtrak coach Starlight idling. The first thing you'll see is an Amtrak P42, Amtrak P42 engines. Number 48 and 189. Then you'll see a baggage car. Like that. There's the baggage horizon. That's a baggage car. And that's a superliner car. And that's another superliner. And that's a coach class superliner car. Another coach class superliner car. And I think that's a cafe car. That's a cafe car. And then the next car is called a lounge car. You look at the view. It's a very good spot to look at the view. And then the rest is 3 coach class cars and a sleeper. They're called superliner cars, not horizon cars. And in the background you might see the Amtrak Cascades.